how we can grow even though we've come from really horrendous beginnings. How we grow, we might not grow how we expect, but we can still grow and learn. But it's also about my spiritual journey, the growth of that as well. You'll see in my work a lot of children. You've got this tiny little seed that you can make into something gnarled and bitter, but then you can make this child into something so beautiful and giving and just natural, loving.
There's an innocence, I guess, about some of your drawings, and that innocence is something that is really important. I think if you've been in a space of violence, you know, like acknowledging that innocent child that is there, you know, I think is really powerful, and the pencil drawings do it so beautifully.
And I also put a lot of fauna around it because that's my happy space, and I guess that's where a lot of people are happy, out in the open with where you can actually breathe. And the again, coming back to the seed, always back to the seed. What we plant in our minds is what we become. What I hope to do with my artwork is to tell a story. Normally it's my story, but if it can become someone else's story too. And if they stand in front of my artwork and they get the story that I'm telling and it helps them, then I've done a good job. Well, I think I've done a good job.